Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix no Wi-Fi network from the menu on MacBook. Now this is something that happened to me and I wanted to basically go and I researched how to fix this and I found a couple of solutions. So first solution is, as you can see, to boot into recovery mode, which will basically reset your entire M1 or M2 Mac. Now, as you can see, you can click the Apple menu in the top left corner on the screen right here, as you can see, and you can click shut down. Now, you will need to wait for your Mac to shut down completely, and then you will need to press and hold the power button until you see loading startup options. Once you see that, you will need to select options and then continue. Now, on your Intel-based Mac, you will need to click the Apple menu in the top left corner, shut down, and then press the power button, then immediately press the hold the Option Command R or Command R keys. This will basically open a startup screen, which will be basically a recovery mode. And here you will be able to see, and after entering the recovery mode, check if your Wi-Fi menu appears. If not, continue reading these following the instructions. So solution 2 is to use an Ethernet cable or phone hotspot. This is something that I'm using all of the time, and it's something that is great if you don't have any alternatives out there. Now, solution 3 is to use a fallback recovery. If it's your M1 or M2 Mac and you don't have a Wi-Fi menu, you can reboot or boot it back into the fallback recovery to eliminate the issue. Basically, this is the recovery mode you can fall back to when the regular Mac OS recovery does not work. So to do it, just shut down your Mac, click the power button twice in the rapid succession and keep the power button pressed until you see loading startup options, then click options and then continue. Now, solution 4 is to completely erase your Mac and completely recover your Mac. This is also one thing that you can do, but I wouldn't really suggest it I would really suggest this as your final resort to solving this problem basically. So, and obviously there are a couple of options here, but these are very limited options. Usually what I would do is I would either, if I cannot fix this on my own, I would go and I would basically go to someone that knows MacBooks very well, and I would go and pay them to fix this for me. Now, this is basically in a nutshell how you can fix no Wi-Fi network from the menu on MacBook. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.